There are lots of ways to make money online. There's Amazon FBA, there's Shopify, drop shipping, affiliate marketing, consulting, social media marketing. And as an internet entrepreneur, I too have multiple streams of income. But there's certain ones that I like the most, and I'm going to be going over which is my favorite source of income and why. Hey, John Crestani here, internet entrepreneur, and as an internet entrepreneur who's been working online since 2012, I have a couple different streams of income at this point in my career, or whatever you want to call it. But one is my favorite, and it might surprise you. Now, my main sources of income right now are between advertising from YouTube videos, from digital courses. I have my own product, which is a training course on ClickBank. It's on ClickBank and Digistore, but I teach people how to do affiliate marketing. And then I also myself do affiliate marketing. Now, my favorite form of income might surprise you, and it might not surprise you what it is, but it might surprise you the specificities within that business model of what I prefer the most. Now, as an affiliate marketer, or as one of the experts in affiliate marketing, it is affiliate marketing, and for some of the basic reasons, right? Like when I promote somebody else's product, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do customer support. I don't have to respond to any inquiries. I don't really have to do anything, and I just get that money. But there's more to it than just not having to do, customer support and not being responsible for really any part of fulfillment in being an affiliate. That is so wonderful. My preferred form of affiliate marketing is actually doing affiliate marketing for products of people that I personally know. When I have a friend or a buddy, let's say somebody like, I don't know, Kevin David or somebody like that who has a training course. He has a training course on starting an Amazon business, and we're buddies. I know him. He has competitive affiliate commissions on his product. I am happy. I love promoting those sorts of things because I know the guy. I know the guy's successful, and I can make good money promoting his product. So it's a very good match because I would promote his product anyway. But it's great when you get to help out friends and make money doing it when you would have helped them out anyway. So I really like that part about affiliate marketing. Another aspect of affiliate marketing that I like the most, or the specific, because I promote a lot of things as an affiliate, but some of the companies are nameless, but these are my favorite criteria, right? Is when I get recurring commissions. When I promote a product that gives me recurring commissions, woo, am I happy? Because those recurring commissions, I get commission checks, I don't even know where they're from. It's because I promoted some product years ago, and I'm still getting that recurring income, and I love that. I love that because it's unexpected, and it can come for sometimes years. Some people are subscribed to, let's say Netflix, or whatever it is. People can sign up for programs and never stop them. They'll just, some people even forget, I do this too, forget about the bill or whatever, but I love recurring income. I love it. And like ClickFunnels is a great example. ClickFunnels, I get recurring income every month. Even if I stopped promoting every product in the world, all my websites got shut down, I get income from ClickFunnels, okay? And it's substantial. If you want to learn more about what ClickFunnels is and why I use it and why I recommend it to people, I'll have my editors post a link to a video somewhere around here about that, right? This is the fun part, is prizes. When an affiliate program or an affiliate promotion or a launch or something like that has prizes associated with it, I go ape. I love prizes. Not many people give. I work alone. It's a really lonely job being an affiliate marketer because you don't interact with anybody all day, week, month, year. At this point in my career, I have lots of people that are working for me in some way, shape, or form. So it's a little bit different. Most of the time, I just want to actually get away. But if I get away, then I get bombarded by too many emails. It's like, I don't know, business is complex now. But the point being, I like prizes, right? And when you're working alone, those prizes mean the world to you. They're good validation. ClickFunnels, for instance, gave me a free car, okay? They gave me a free car or free truck, right? So they pay for my truck. And I think that's awesome. So going for prizes, recurring commissions, and working with friends within affiliate marketing, that's my favorite place to be. Now, I'd love to know, what is your favorite business model and why? What is your favorite online income source and why? And if you're not making any money, just type in broke in the comments below. But if you have a favorite income source, whether that's social media marketing agency or consulting or e-commerce or Shopify or affiliate, whatever that is, type it in below. And I'd love to hear from you. And if it's a weird one, type in why. Maybe it's day trading. I don't know. Maybe it's Bitcoin or crypto. But type in the comments, hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I'll be doing some live streams here starting shortly, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video. If you're looking for more playlists or finding out ways to make money as an affiliate marketer, make sure to check the description or the comments for some links to where you can, affiliate programs you can sign up for, other videos of mine. I mean, I have a ton of videos on affiliate marketing, so watch all of them. I'll have my editors link a playlist. Looking forward to speaking soon. Have a good day.